The video, yeah?
The wizard of wall coverings, Damian from Grafico.
So we're getting ready for the challenge tomorrow, bright and early. We've got all the team down here. We've got Canon setting up the printer, the Canon Colorado, special workbench here. Our design team is setting up the photo booth here, ready to crack on for the challenge, bright and early tomorrow morning. Hello, guys.
Oh, you look a bit rougher than Sunday night.
You will be designing and then producing your very own bespoke wallpaper.
Don't panic, we have brought in the experts. To take your vision into reality, we've brought in the wizard of wall coverings, Damian from Grafico.
Hello,
Give him
guys.
a hand, we love him.
Hey, good to be here again.
Damian and his team will work their magic and they'll take your creations from canvas to stunning wallpaper.
What's going on here? It already looks finished.
I know, it's pretty good, isn't it?
How good's that?
Getting some layers.
We're just getting some layers.
Love it. And getting one done.
All right, I'll do that.
That'll keep you moving at least.
All right, I'll get moving with the dragonfly and bring her in.
Yeah, I'll see you inside.
Beautiful. Thanks, Damian.
Next step, we've got the photo booth set up. We're going to get our team to photograph this high res.
Yep.
Then we're going to take that onto one of the computers and then turn that into a wallpaper.
Ooh, exciting.
House 3. Britain's
House 3, yeah. Beautiful. I was happy with the end result. I thought I was in for a chance.
Thinking goodbye, swatted.
It's got to be up there. There's a lot of good competition out there.
Yes.
Behind the scenes on the challenge, Melissa and I are butting heads trying to figure out who's going to win. So we're having
And we
lots
still
of
don't know.
No. So
Still fighting.
All right, team, let's do it.
Emma and Ben, house one.
Emma and Ben. This has been really successful, this one, I think. They've actually painted 2 and then we've overlaid that over the top. So it's pretty impressive. This is wow, isn't it?
This is wow.
So much wow. Definitely stands out amongst the others from a colour perspective.
Like, it's really beautiful.
Britain Taz.
Representing the hills of Daylesford, I would think.
It's a beautiful pattern. It could definitely be repeated really successfully on a small wall or a big wall as well.
This is Alicia and Sunny.
This reminds me of a Native American blanket.
It is,
It
very
is.
true. It's got that Navajo vibe.
Yes.
It's coming back into fashion at the moment.
Last but not least, Robbie and Matt.
I think they've done a beautiful job with this. Worked really well to the brief. The colouring is very Daylesford and I love how it's tiled.
Yeah, the more I look at it, the more I like it, actually. Big decision to make. We need to pick a winner and we need to come over here and do that now. Let's go.
Let's do it.
Oh, what?
These look amazing.
They're all amazing.
They are. There you go. Well, there's a big prize up for grabs, of course, $5,000, thanks to Grafico.
I feel like we're stalling.
Yeah, well.
Who won?
It's Team 5, Robbie and Matt.
Hello, Brissy, you're back to work. See you later. Thank you very much.
That's a wrap for today.
Well, we did well.
Yeah, it was pretty tricky. There was 5 ones to choose from. It was pretty hard to make a decision.
It was.
Right?
It took us a while to make a decision. So I'm really happy with the one that we came out with. And I can't wait for everyone to see it in real life.
So we've gone from beautiful Altea Milano crafted suits into fluoro, and I've still got the pants on, but check out the footwear.